Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So this is a 2024 Winnebago View that was brand new here a while back, and we did a bunch of videos on this where we did a inspection on it, found a bunch of stuff so the customer could go back to the dealership and turn in for warranty. Now what it's in here for is a couple solar panels we're adding onto the roof, and then we're going to be doing some stuff with the fan. That's why I went to the fan. So basically they have a touchscreen system, and if they manually open up the fan or they electrically open up the fan stays on constantly, even if the vent lid is open. So the owners have been having to remove the fuse to disconnect the power so it doesn't just drain their batteries. So we're not sure what this little plug is right here, but we're gonna basically go in here, add a push button switch so that they can have a push button switch. If that's able to do there, we'll add it somewhere near this area. So we're gonna do that both here to the living room area and as well back here in the bathroom area. And so here's that other fan, and then like I'm saying, here's the fuse. So they're having to turn this knob out to take the fuse down to kill the power. And hey, good morning everybody. So that's a couple of the things it's here for. We're also going to possibly put on a satellite. There's a lot of people, still use them, even though they've already got one. So we always say, hey, you should stream instead, but they want to do a satellite. There's no ports on the roof for that. So we're probably gonna have to do a custom run and run wires down and get to the TV area, which is right over here. So, all right, well, hey, stay tuned for more. And I'm gonna go check in on Terry. He's back here getting his ladder and tools ready and a taller ladder. And this is the satellite, which it looks like it's a wine guard. And so we're going to end up seeing if that'll fit up on there, and we can wire all that too. So, all right, everybody. Well, hey, thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more, and we will get back to you. Again, this is Dustin, RV Specialist, and this is on a 2024 Winnebago View. And like I said, we're going to do two solar panels, those light disconnect switches, and possibly a satellite. And I think there's some other stuff. And then it's back for its 90-day follow-up. This particular unit didn't have any silicone on anything on the body. So they did that whole, whatever you want to call it. It's not really a turn-on, but the automotive seal package, right, which a lot of companies are starting to lean to, like the Brinkley sitting over here and that, and we're not big fans of that at all. So if you've seen a lot of the stuff, whether it be a Winnebago, a Thor, or Brinkley, other companies that are pushing that stuff and not sealing them, they're all still leaking. So recommend highly that you put some sealing on it. This one's here for the 90-day follow-up so that we can double check it, and if anything's separated, cracked, split, or whatever, we doctor it up for free because it's something that we just resealed for them. All right, well, again, thanks a lot and have a great day. Dustin, RV Specialist.